How to find all comments you have made on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you find your all comments that you have made on TikTok. So let's get started. First, as you have to open TikTok application with your account. After you open TikTok, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. Now from here, tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, simply tap on Activity Center. Now from here, simply you can get the option Comment History. Simply tap on that. Now from here, you can find all of your comments that you have made from your TikTok account. So from here, you can easily view it. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.